Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? This is your boy Joshua Asante here, coming to you live from UK, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Rich Reviews. Welcome to Rich Reviews, guys. Okay, I just want to introduce you first and foremost this amazing intelligence software that I've come across that I just had to do a review on. It's called Conversiobot. Now, what it is that it's actually an intelligence software, an AI software that actually is used to for business, for any type of business, any sort of business that that you may have. If you have a website or business that is not, you're not really seeing any results online, you're not seeing much conversions or much sales or much leads on your website, then look no further, guys. Okay, this conversion board actually is built to really and truly increase the amount of leads into your business at a fast pace, at a fast rate, guys. The amount of leads and the amount of conversions that you get will be absolutely ridiculous, guys. I'm even right now thinking of looking to get into it because I have my own business that I've set up a few months ago. So I'm going to be putting this to use, and yeah, within the next 10 months, I'm going to be so thankful that I came across this software, because there's loads of people that are making 6 to 7 figures within the next 10 to 12 months, guys, at a ridiculous fast pace. Okay, so what's Conversiobot? So Conversiobot transforms your website into an automated leads and sales bot. Now, the creators automatically added 189,986 quality leads, okay, and generated 6,386 sales in 6 months with a single line of website AI bot code, guys. Okay, scrolling down further, what is the business used for? So it's used for many businesses, no matter what business you have. Um, just for an example, the blue chip companies that have used this is Starbucks Coffee, Spotify, Staples, Amateur, Lyft, WSJ, H&M, and Walt Disney and Pizza Hut, guys. Okay, which is absolutely amazing. Now, well, no matter what website you have, no matter what business you have, it's good for affiliate review sites, list building pages, WordPress blogs, sales letters, drop shipping sites, e-commerce stores, local business sites, webinar registration pages, consultancy websites, and freelance websites, and many more, guys. Okay, the sophisticated bot code works with also ClickFunnels, Convertri, Katra, WordPress, Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, Joomla, okay, Joomla, Drupal, BigCommerce, Wix, Unbound, ScrewFunnels, all the softwares that you usually have in building a website. It works with also, okay, and it also works with integrated marketing automations, email responders, shall I say. So, for example, Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit, and many more, guys. Okay. So, this one is the way to go, guys. Okay. This AI technology is the way to go. Yeah, okay. And if you don't want to lock in, you just pay a one time fee, guys. Okay. Just a one time fee, guys, of $497. But you can also have pay in installments as well, guys. Okay, guys, this website, this business, okay, this intelligent software is the way to go if you want to explode your business to another level. If you want to increase the amount of traffic, the amount of leads, the amount of conversions, guys, this is the way to go, guys. Okay, don't hesitate. Just purchase the products and you'll be on the races. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions or concerns with this product, feel free to comment on the video below in the comment section, or what you can do is that you can actually send me a message through my Instagram. So I'll be more than happy to answer any questions or any queries that you may have, guys. Okay. So yeah, I mean, just click on a link and just look through the whole business and see if it's a good fit for you, for your business. And yeah, if you're interested and you want to sign up, guys, I'd be more than happy to actually assist you on this. Once you sign up, also, I'll actually give you a special bonus, a special giveaway, guys. Okay. So what you have to do is that to get that special bonus, to get that special giveaway, all you need to do is to message me that you've purchased the link, or more or less, if you send me the screenshot of your purchase, okay, guys, then I will send you over the special bonus, or the special giveaway, guys. Okay, so for you, it's a win-win situation, guys. So all it is for you just to take that leap of faith, take that step, take that decision, take that action, and you'll never regret it. Trust me, because right now we're living in a day where, to explode your business and to take it to another level, you don't need to be working really hard. All you need to do is to work smarter, not harder, guys. Okay. So, and this is what the Conversiobot actually caters for. Okay. So, guys, let me know what you think of this. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you on the other side. So, take care, guys. This is your boy Josh, and welcome to Rich Reviews. And yeah, I'm signing out. Take care, guys. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.